This is a quick tour of the Tessoro 468 motorhome from Benimar. It's a low profile vehicle, and this thing here will cost a total of 68,500 euros. It's 743 centimeters in length. It's got a bed up there which will come down by the touch of a switch. Not that I'm going to do it because there's not going to be enough time in this video. You've got masses of space around this table, particularly with the chairs turned around like that, and the table would double over if necessary. You've got 3 burners here, you've got a sink, you've got storage under the kitchen, you've got a fridge and a thing here to hold bottles in, and you've got a television up there and more storage beside it. Here we've got a toilet, although there's not much room in the toilet when you sort of bring this thing here around. Alternatively, you could try closing this here and sliding this across here. 2 doors, and you've got a much bigger toilet. Here we have the shower, which comes with a duckboard and a thing to hang your socks on once you've washed them. At the back we've got a German layout which I will demonstrate. You've got 2 beds here at the moment. This comes out, this does that, and then you've got a really big bed, and you've got a ladder to get into it, although I think that ladder is not to get into this bed but the one which is up front. Under here you've got a wardrobe there, you've got drawers down there, and there's the bed which is here. And if you want to know more details about this video, you'll have to click on the link and I'll show the van in more depth. Here we have, there's a for your cassette is there, cassette toilet. There is an enormous garage. That's what it looks like at the rear. You can see up there you've got this large panoramic roof light there. You've got a second a smaller one there, a third one there, and a 4th one up front, which is quite large.
Was hast du gesagt? 4, 8?
So that's the Benimar Tessoro 468 motorhome in under 3 minutes.